So I just feel compelled to share what I've got here because I'm discovering stuff which I don't know whether I'm going to really remember it. So I'm going to share screen one and then move the stuff around to show you what I want to see. Screen one here. Okay. So here on screen one, what I wanted to show you was this here. I'll make the full screen first. I've got on the Synology drive, I've moved all of my Access files onto the Synology drive. Now let me make that half screen, move that across and move this other screen. Now this is my computer, my PC file, my Access files, because I thought I used to think I have to store all of my Access files on the computer because I can't put it in the web or online. I had issues with that 20 years ago when I was doing an Access course, and it wasn't possible to really keep Access working properly once you put it online when you accessed it from different sources. However, I discovered I can move them from my current location here to Synology and they work. So here we've when I moved them across, I thought I was copying them because that was my original intent. When I copied the data to Synology so that I could use it on my Surface, on my laptop. But the last time when I moved it, it actually moved, not copied, and I wasn't really paying attention. I thought, okay, if it works, that's fine. However, what I've discovered here is that the journal still has the auxiliary file here on my computer. So it looks like this file, which I've got it open, journal here, journal. Okay, I'm going to save that, close, and that's my journal. I'll just close it completely and see what happens with the memory records. Okay, today is the 13th of October and it's 5:30. So this here is my file that I've just closed. And you see here the auxiliary has not been moved, but here, this one. So for example, when I want to edit anything on journal, I have to go back into here. If I want to change some of the tables or the forms, add fields especially, I have to come back into this version and do it on here. So here I've got a back. Oh, that's what BE means, back end. Okay, I've just learned that. Okay. So the back end is here now on my PC, and the front end, the Surface, I've got here on Synology. So I could actually use the Synology as the front end from any source, from my Surface, from my computer, even from my phone. And the source tables and documents are all on the back end on my computer. So, okay, that's what I wanted to document. And that's a revelation for me to figure that out, that I am actually doing that I have my back end on my computer and my, what's it called when I've got my interface on my Synology. Okay, that was it. That's what I wanted to record here, and that's enough. So I'm happy with that. Thank you.